just had to pull over because I've just found this absolutely magic shot. It's up at the top of Iceland. Have a look at that. Just have a look at this. So it's really windy here at the moment. I'm actually going to go for a panorama shot. I've opted to go for the Nikon 80-400mm lens. I've got about a 2-stop ND graduated filter on the front. I'm just using the car as a bit of a buffer. I'm going to do this panorama straight across here. They've got that beautiful slash of light going straight across the mountains here. So I've set this at about 135mm. I'm shooting at f11 at about 1/25 of a second. Let's give it a go. I tell you, sometimes it's worth stopping just to get that magic shot. So I'm pretty excited right now. I'm actually just pulling into Godafoss Waterfall, and I'm just doing a recce for tonight because tonight's the night I get to finally get a photographic dream come true. So far the Northern Lights have eluded me. I've been in Iceland for a while. I've had pretty bad weather, typical for Iceland. Tonight, the forecast is spot on clear skies, and I can see right now above me, I've got perfect blue sky. I've checked the Northern Lights website. It's looking really good. This is Godafoss Waterfall in Iceland. Just doing a bit of a sunset shoot, getting a nice bit of colour just over my right shoulder there. But the whole reason for the shoot tonight is actually just to do a bit of a recce, because tonight is the night for the Northern Lights. It's going to be nice and clear. Oh yeah, it's going to be nice and clear tonight. So yeah, tonight's the night for the Northern Lights. So I'm getting some really incredible colour in the sky right now. You can see it's just getting that beautiful orange and purple in the clouds. I've got a 3-stop graduated ND filter on the front of the camera at 16mm. I'm shooting at ISO 100 f11, just under 1 second exposure, so I'm getting a bit of movement in the water. I'm speechless. As George Costanza says, I am without speech. I'm speechless. I wasn't expecting this. I just come down here to do a recce, and then all of a sudden the skies exploded for me. And the great thing is, the shots that I'm getting, I'm actually getting that glow, and the glow is actually capturing on the mist coming off Godafoss Waterfall. Gotta be in it to win it. What a great spot. Thank you, photographic gods. That night I checked my Aurora forecast app on my phone. There was a KP reading of 5, which is a pretty good indicator that the sky was going to light up over Iceland. So this is it. I've just seen the Northern Lights for the first time. I stuck my head out of the accommodation. I looked up, and then all of a sudden this beautiful green ribbon went straight across the sky. So I am, right now I'm heading back to Godafoss Waterfall, and I'm going to see if I can get a shot there. This is exciting. so cool. I am so sorry guys, I actually didn't get a chance to video the whole thing while I was photographing the Northern Lights because I was just so excited. I actually met this really lovely photographer from Israel and we were having a chat, and you know, the lights were just so-so and we were taking shots. Next thing, the sky just exploded into this huge amount of green, and you know, it was the first time he was shooting the Northern Lights. It was the first time for me shooting the Northern Lights. And we were just going crazy. We were just screaming at the sky, just going, you know, look at this. This is incredible. I've been waiting for this moment. This is a dream come true. I'm really emotional. I'm really high. I mean, it's just gone past midnight here. I'm heading back to the accommodation now. And I'm pumped. I am really, really happy. That was just something else. Wow, that was the first time I shot the Northern Lights. And yeah, just excitement plus, and I'm just pumped. I really am. Next time on Photographing Iceland. Godafoss, holy dooly. Godafoss almost blew me off its cliff and into the canyon below.